Welcome back, Tool Views. Today we're going to talk about sanding versus buffing, which is a topic I kind of enjoy, but at the same time, this again. So these are pores. They're pores in Gelcoat. Every boat has them that has Gelcoat. In older boats, they're bigger, and newer boats, they're smaller. But it has nothing to do with the waviness of the Gelcoat itself. That has more to do with the mold pop and the mold release and the guys building the boat than anything else. Let me show you what buffing can do.
Seeing the LEDs, individual LEDs in the edges, which I wasn't earlier.
I'd like to introduce you to Marty. I'll talk about him more in another video.
So how long did it take you to do this?
15 minutes once I figured out how to use the damn buffer.
Okay. Guys, this isn't impossible. You can learn how to do this. It's not rocket science. It's just a couple little steps, a couple little things that you have to think about, and you can go home and do this all day long and make that stuff you guys like to make, which is money, right? So you could sand this. That would take forever. All these contours, all the grits you'd have to go through, you would polish up and probably sand off some of your snaps because this is a cobalt, you can't take them out. Or you can grab some compound and a wheel and just get on with your life. Make your customer happy. Marty, we're gonna finish this boat, brother.
Let's do it.
Do it.
And yeah, I know, I usually show this stuff in the sun, so here you go. There's the sundog in a curved piece. Here's the green section around the tow bar. And now when I hear somebody say, oh, you can only sand and that's the only way you can get clarity, I'm like, dude, have you seen anything I've done? Anything! This guy's a detailer. He makes money detailing. Imagine how much more money and time he has to himself and his customers now.